Hey, Paul Whatley again, and today I want to talk to you a little bit more about what it means to achieve more through the process of home ownership. So, many of you who have known me or watched some of my other videos hear me talk about achieving more of your life goals through the process of home ownership. Now, if you already own your home, then there's a lot more to achieving your goals with your home ownership than just adding updates, keeping up with the maintenance, or doing renovations or additions. There's actually the process of really looking at how your home, your mortgage, ends impacting your finances. So, in a recent article that I found on Yahoo Finance, they actually reported that most homeowners will have about 24% of their pre tax income is devoted towards their housing expenses, specifically their mortgage. And so, I'm actually here today with Scott Brown from the Bank of the James, and we're going to talk a little bit about what's going on with interest rates and the process of possibly refinancing your mortgage. So, Scott, I really appreciate you taking the time to talk with me today and some of the clients.
Thanks for having me.
So, first and foremost is what's the trend? What's going on with interest rates right now?
Rates have been moving down pretty much all summer, which has been a nice surprise because traditionally this is a slower time, but it's made for a busy summer.
And for those of you who are actually looking to purchase a home, of course, when you have lower interest rates, it's going to increase their buying power, right?
Absolutely.
Means you can afford a little bit more home. But if you already own your home, then maybe refinancing is something that you should consider. So, Scott, who should be considering refinancing their mortgage?
If you have a 30-year fixed loan that has an interest rate of perhaps 4.5% or above, it's worth making a call to check to see if it could be worthwhile to refinance. And if you have a 15-year fixed, maybe around the 4% or above range.
Okay. So, how much could somebody expect to save when refinancing?
It's dependent on the size of the loan amount, but generally speaking, what we want is your monthly savings to offset the closing costs within roughly 3 to 5 years. So the intent on how long you're going to keep the house is a big factor.
Okay. So you mentioned closing costs. Obviously, for those of you who already own your home, we know that closing costs are a pretty big expense as part of the purchase process. And what does the closing cost typically run for a purchase?
Purchases generally run 3% of the sales price.
Okay, so about 3% when you're doing your purchase, but now how about on a refinance?
On a refinance, because you have some costs that aren't there on a refinance that you would on a purchase, you're usually looking between 2 and 2.5% of your loan amount for closing costs.
Now, I know there are programs out there also for other groups or for mortgages people are purchasing to get some of those closing costs offset on a purchase. Are there similar types of programs now or that have happened with refinancing?
Well, not that I'm aware of on the broad sense.
Okay.
At Bank of the James, we do have a couple of incentives we offer for employees of James Madison University, for instance, Rockingham County Public Schools, and a couple other area employers.
Very good. So there are some, but closing costs are definitely going to be a lot less with that. So good information. So if you're looking to maybe put yourself in a little bit better financial situation with your home ownership and your interest rates are a little bit higher, certainly now would be a good time to at least be contacting Scott to talk about whether or not a refinance is going to be something with you. Well, hey, Scott, I really appreciate you taking the time to talk with us today and about refinancing. And for everyone out there, if you have more questions about refinancing and whether or not it's the right fit for you, please reach out to Scott here at the Bank of the James, local bank here in Harrisonburg and Rockingham County. And I know Scott's going to take great care of you. And if you have any other questions about real estate in general, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I look forward to helping each of you as you pursue achieving more of your life's goals through the process of home ownership. So thank you very much for your time and look forward to talking to you soon.